Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
All right, welcome back, everybody. Hope you all had a great weekend. We had a little bit of snow over the weekend, but it's gone now as we had temperatures above freezing yesterday. Partly cloudy skies, but you see all that cloud cover moving into the Helena area. Some snow is knocking at our door right now. Feels like 21 outside. Great Falls, we will start to see an increase in cloud cover here as well. 19 degrees, feels like 7 out there. Very cold, a southwest wind of 12 miles an hour right now. Most of us into the teens and 20s, some 30s popping up there, but regardless, we are cold. Low visibility in places like Havre, but for the most part, fog should hold off for a lot of the state. Just maybe along the high line here through the morning hours, some patchy light fog. Not enough for a dense fog advisory. Nothing really going on in Helena. Nothing in Great Falls right now, but there will be some activity later on this afternoon, as we do have a center of low pressure sitting off the Pacific coast right here. Lots of moisture making its way towards Montana this morning. Already some snow falling into the sawtooths of Idaho and most of the states of Washington and Oregon so far. So let's put things in motion here. We'll track this out for Montana. 3:30, snow approaching the Helena area. Likely we'll see some snow into the evening commute hours, so be careful on those roadways out there. Great Falls, Lewistown, down to Billings, maybe a little bit of a wintry mix at first, but snow mainly here with this first wave of moisture. Helena gets a bit of a break going into tonight and early tomorrow morning, but this line of moisture makes its way into central and eastern Montana, places like Lewistown, Billings, Miles City, even up towards Glasgow. Early tomorrow morning, we'll see that snow. Some mountain snow showers developing around Helena for most of the day tomorrow, and then a secondary wave of moisture, at least with this model. So with our short range models, not in cooperation with each other here, with the timing of this secondary push of snow. So this one that I'm using right here is the earliest of the 3 short-range models that bring in this snow, but we could see the snow come in Wednesday morning into the late morning hours as well. And the timing is going to be very important on this, because if it comes earlier, we will likely see snow here in Helena. But if it comes a little bit later, we have an increasing west wind on Wednesday that will warm us up. So if we do see precipitation, it will likely be rain, and it will be downsloping, so it will be mostly in the mountains. So timing dependent on this secondary wave of rain and snow making its way into the state. So at least for the snow forecast right now, I'm forecasting about 1/2 inch to 2 inches in the Helena Valley, maybe up to 3 in the downtown area. Great Falls could see 1 to 3 inches as well, up to 9 inches of snow into the mountains surrounding Helena. So here's that wind I was talking about. Beginning Wednesday morning here, already pretty strong downsloping wind off of most of the eastern slopes of the Rockies here. So this is not a Rocky Mountain Front exclusive wind event. This is going to be everybody. Everybody will be windy as a center of low pressure drops off of the Rocky Mountain Front, and that creates a huge pressure gradient here, with the center of low pressure probably near Great Falls, and then higher pressure up along the front. We could see gusts of over 75 miles an hour along the Rocky Mountain Front. I'm forecasting 50-mile-an-hour gusts here in Helena and Great Falls. That wind will move out into eastern Montana Thursday morning. So here's the forecast for today. Mainly in the low to mid 30s with snow around for most of the state. Here's the next 7 days for Helena. So Monday and Tuesday, pretty cold. We'll be in the 30s for our highs with that snow around, but check out Wednesday with that downsloping wind. 50 degrees on Wednesday, and we will be in the 40s and 50s for a lot of the state here for the middle and end of this week. So it's going to be a warm one. That's been the story of December so far.